Okay, so 18th of January 2021. Got a 10-second chart up here of the FTSE cash. Just a few seconds before 8 o'clock. Just watching the pre-market at the moment. On the 10-second chart, there's not a huge amount of volatility, to be perfectly honest. Again, it's moving around a bit at the price, but it's not really going very far with any particular strength. So it's just peaked at a certain price. Now it's going back down again. It's all primed and ready to see whether or not we can place a trade pre-market just before the 8 o'clock open, 8 o'clock GMT. It's coming back down again now, so just watching this play out, and it's not looking like it's really making its mind up which direction it wants to go, which is not great, but it does sometimes happen. So last 10 seconds or so of the market, it's oscillating around, well, just around the same sort of value, 6,721, 6,722. Okay, it's starting to move a little bit, but it's back inside itself to a certain degree. It's where it was. Right, market open. All right, it's going back up again now. So this is there's no indicator. I'm not following the trend. We're waiting for the indicators, but at the moment the market is okay. Now it's got to remember this is on a 10-second chart, so it's looking more magnified. It's magnifying what the market's doing. That wasn't a signal, by the way. So have to wait this out. Let's see if we're going to get something. So it's looking like it's doing a lot. Actually, from top to bottom, that's 12 points, something like that, 10, 12 points. Back to where it started at 8 o'clock. It's really not going anywhere very much. Just going to watch this and see if we get an indicator. First minute's pretty much up. I'm waiting to see this. And yeah, it's going up and down. There's nothing you can do if it's just going to do this. Right, okay, might be ready here. Let's give this a go. Okay, we're in. Now it's a case of putting the stop loss in place. It's because it's not moving with any real strength, so we're not immediately in profit. It's hovering. Okay, and there we are. If it just gives us a little bit of breathing room, we can stick the stop loss in just to protect ourselves. There we go, and it's immediately taken us out again. Now it's gone back up and would have taken us out again. It's going down. That would have taken us out again. Just doesn't want to do it. And you can see this with the candle formations and those legs. It's there's a lot of indecision in the market. This also happens on Mondays. In the previous video I said Fridays were relatively benign, and Mondays, I don't know what it is, maybe traders tend to not work very hard on Mondays and Fridays, so you don't always get a lot of movement on those days. That would have taken us out again at that stop loss. So we've not really lost anything. The opportunities weren't there. See if we can potentially get back in again. Might be another indicator coming up. So let's have a look. It moved up and now it's come back down again. This price really hasn't changed very much from where it started at 8 o'clock. So look at this, just bouncing up and down that horizontal line at the moment. It's you can see, I mean, this is fractions of points really, which is not going to do anyone any favours. You get in, just whipsaw you out again. That's why it's important to have the stop loss in place, but you've got to get in and be confident enough you can at least get it in, the stop loss, even if it takes you out again. So just move that out of the way so we can see what's going on. It's just bouncing around, that's all it's doing. Can't do much with it. Right, here we go. So we're going to get something. Okay, stop loss. Let's get the stop loss in. Okay, good. I got something here. Get the stop loss in. And it's edging back up again. It just doesn't want to go anywhere, does it? It's very, very happy where it is. Okay, there we go. And it's just taken us out. I think we'll call it a day there. It's not going to work for us today.